Just a quick video to let you know what you should do every year when you bring your lawnmower of any type out of storage. This is just my perspective. The first thing, the most important thing you want to do is never forget to check your oil. And for this particular model right here, this is going to be a Honda. Get that in there. The Honda HRN216. And there's a lot of people like, oh, no shit, Sherlock, we got to check oil. But believe me, there's a lot of people out there that don't have husbands or sons or kids. And I do it for everyone just to get a basic understanding. So anyway, this is going to be my gas. You have the little gas one on there. But this right here is going to be the oil. It's real simple, but you just want to make sure that your oil is filled up. And I'm good. There's a little nodule. I'm trying to talk while I do this. But just make sure if it hits that nodule. If not, get you some oil for your lawnmower. Otherwise, you're going to end up blowing your motor. So don't just go 1 year, 2 years, 3 years, 4 years, 3 years, assuming that, you know, okay, well, just put gas in it and go. It's not that simple. You got to make sure you maintain a basic maintenance, but it's going to be your gas as well as your oil. And don't forget about those spark plugs. If you're having a hard time with your lawnmower starting, it could be due to moisture, and your spark plug is probably bad, all right? So what I do to prevent my spark plug from going bad is, this is my little gas nozzle. So at the end of every mow, I shut it off and let my mower run until it like sputters out. That way my cylinder's not filled up with gas, because over time your spark plug will become saturated with all that gas and it'd be difficult to start and eventually just foul out. But it's pretty much an easy fix. Just go and get a new spark plug. All right, so hope that helps, guys.